Did you know most homes waste 15 square feet of space due to outdated hot water systems? What if you could reclaim that lost corner of space in your bathroom and turn it into something stunning? Today we're going to turn our airing cupboard full of unsightly pipes into a towel and storage sanctuary. Join us today to see how you can do this too. Today we challenge Tom, a skilled joiner with a ton of experience, to turn this dusty old cupboard into a storage sanctuary. Let's head inside and have a look at the job. We are at a customer's home and they have got their hot water cylinder removed from behind their shower. They now want to turn it into a usable cupboard space, so we've got Tom here to carry that out today. What's your plan of attack here then?
Right, so what we're going to do at the start is I'm going to get some little stands of these made, cut them off, and then I'm going to box in them pipes.
Sweet.
Yeah, we'll get the base down with the whiteboard that's downstairs, 18mm chipboard, and then I'll start to build out the sides with some, it's 3.5 be 1 inch, right? Because it needs to be thinner just because of how small this is. Yeah.
We think it's going to be a common issue, I think, with a lot of homes. You'll probably get asked to do a load of these now, so. How long have you been doing joinery then?
So I've been doing since I was 21.
21, was that, you started like an apprentice or did you just
so I did an apprenticeship at a place in Salford, and that was for like a few years, and then ended up just going on my own. But it was good, mate, enjoyed it. And then, because I've always liked working with my hands, it just felt right. Right, so today what we've done, we got the base in, this bottom bit, so we took all the timber out that was already in there, we got the base in, we put the upstands in to box the pipes in at the back. Tomorrow, what we're going to do is we'll get this siding up to the top, same as that, and then we're going to put the back in. See you tomorrow.
Morning.
Morning.
We're back on business.
Yes, Jay.
How are you doing the actual shelves? How are they mounting to the wall?
How are we mounting them? So we've got some, it's like inch, be 1.5.
Right.
Maybe 2 inch, and I'm putting them on them.
Right, okay, sound. And then you cover them at the front to cover up the 1.5 or no?
So I'll cut it off on an angle.
Ah, okay,
so you
nice.
See it.
Sound.
Get some glue and glue some of these caps on and just cork down the edges.
Let's get corking.
Let's get corking.
Job is done. It does look mint. Can you break down the costs?
Right, so the whiteboard, 18mm.
Yeah.
It's chipboard, obviously, with a white finish. They are 26 quid a board, I think. Yeah, 26 quid a board they are. I've got 5 of them.
5 of them total, yeah?
5 of them. The little white
shelf supports. Yeah.
30, 40 quid. Then you've got the little white caps. A couple of quid.
So. Then there's the scant 3 by, it's like 3 by 2, but not
3 by 2, but
yeah.
it was cut down because I was matching the one that was already in existing. So that was I think it was 60 quid. And that,
all of it.
That's for all of it, and I think
Right,
I got
so
about 15, 20 metres.
Wow. Right, okay.
Screws. The screws were, because I got them all at the same time, you're probably talking 40, 50 quid.
Right.
So all in all, you're talking about 200-300 quid, aren't you?
For materials, yeah.
Yeah.
But as we said, the gear you needed, that might have sawn, not everyone's going to have the grinder for the screws at the back, but not everyone's going to have screws sticking out the back of the plasterboard, so it's one of them. Most importantly then, are you happy with it?
I'm happy with it.
You're over the moon. Sweet.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, and I agree with you, yeah. Nice one.
Yeah.
Total time of completion, did you do it in under 6 hours?
No. Like, the more time you put into something, like, you know what I mean?
Type of art, like you say, it's an art form.
Yeah, it's art because you're having to do things like that you've never done before. It's completely unique, innit?
Yeah.
Like, this is not going to be the same as somebody else's bathroom. So, and also everything's got to be level and square. The more, like I'd say, the more love you put into it, the better it's going to look.
Yeah. One thing you said to me about the hot water taps running behind it, all that old pipe work. When they get hot now, you might get a bit of residual heat into the towels. Yeah. Nice warm towels every morning. You can't beat that, can you?
You got a radiator inbuilt there, G.
Can't put a price on that.
No. Nice.
Wonderful, yeah. Thank you. Thanks for letting us film.
Sorted, G.
Hopefully, customer likes it. Nice one.
Pleasure.